What's up guys, I am Zain and today I'm going to show you how to restore deleted messages on Messenger. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Messenger application on your phone, and after that you'll have to click on these three lines right here. Then you should go to the settings. After that, scroll down till you find privacy and safety. Tap on it. Then here you will find end-to-end encrypted chats. Then here you will find an option that says secure storage. Now you have to turn this option on. Now after turning it on, you should go back to the Messenger settings, then scroll down till you find see more in accounts center. Tap on it. Then here, as you can see, it will jump you directly to Accounts Center. Now go to your information and permissions, then tap on download your information. Then click on download or transfer information. After that, select your Facebook profile. Then click on next. Then it will ask you how much information do you want. So I'm going to click on specific types of information. Then you have to scroll down till you find here messages. Just tap on it and check this box beside it. Then click on next. And here, as you can see, you will have two options: download to device or transfer to destination. Choose the first option, then click on next. Then here, as you can see, it will show you this message: create files to download. Just tap on create files. And after that, as you can see, you can now download or transfer the information. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.